Former Senator Bongbong Marcos is out to target the so-called bailiwicks of Vice President Leni Robredo and former Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas. Marcos identifies 3 provinces best exemplifying frauds or irregularities in his protest brief. These are Camarines Sur, Iloilo, and Negros Oriental.
Pinangalanan na po ni Senator Marcos ang 3 pilot provinces na kung saan unang re-revisahin at magkakaroon ng manual recount and judicial revision.
Marcos spokesman Vic Rodriguez claims Robredo got around 1.5 million votes in the 3 provinces, while Marcos got only 200,000 votes. He says this will explain how Robredo diminished Marcos's lead and eventually surpassed him with more than 200,000 votes.
Yung 1 million could explain bakit naubos yung 1 million na lamang ni Senador Marcos. Yung natitirang 216, diferensya nilang dalawa, that could explain bakit doon sa final tally, however erroneous yung tally may be, lumamang pambigla ng 263,000 votes more or less si Mrs. Robredo.
It's known to many that Camsur belongs to Robredo, who hails from Bicol, but
subalit kung makikita po ninyo, halos walang nakuhang boto yung Senador Chis Escudero na ilang beses ng kumandidato sa national office. Halos wala akong nakuhang boto si Senator Gringo Honasan na ilang beses na rin nating hinalal bilang senador at yung mga iba pa.
Rodriguez explains if the initial 3 provinces would show there was indeed fraud, Marcos's protest moves forward. If not, it could be dismissed. Marcos lists 362 witnesses in his poll protest case. Robredo also lists 3 provinces in her own protest brief: Capiz, Sulu, and North Cotabato. The Presidential Electoral Tribunal has created a 3-man panel of commissioners to expedite the resolution of the protest and counter-protest. The preliminary conference was set for June 21st, but this was moved to July 11th to give way to the martial law petitions. Anjo Alimario, CNN Philippines.